Hello, my name is Kasper. I am the head of innovation at EFFEKT Architects. I'm here today to talk about a concept called living places. It's a vision for healthy homes for people and planet. The project unfolds a regenerative approach for the future environment. It's ideated in partnership with EFFEKT Architects and more engineers and VELUX. So today our built environment faces a multitude of challenges. The lifetime of our building is decreasing, productivity and efficiency is stagnating, and our built environment accounts for 40% of global CO2 emissions. We spend up to 90% of our time indoors, but fail to build for a good indoor environment. And even though we live closer and more connected than ever, we feel more lonely, anxious, and stressed. At the same time, only 7% of global population can afford formal housing finances. And our built environment is actually unattainable for the people that will benefit from it the most. So we already know the technologies and have the knowledge to turn these challenges into potentials. So building design for adaptability and flexibility can enable us to adapt to the challenges we cannot foresee. A new construction method like prefabrication can increase efficiency and reduce waste. And by using CO2 sequestering materials, we can switch from being a part, buildings being a part of the problem to being a part of the solutions. Designing with healthy indoor principles, our buildings can contribute to making us healthier. And by creating environments that enable community, we can reduce anxiety, loneliness, and stress. By using affordability by design, we could unlock affordable housing for the many. So we know innovation happens when we see a change in behavior and new technologies merge. So first of all, what we see now is that the way people want to live is changing. And secondly, the way we build is also changing. So what we need now in order to live up to the demand is aspirational design and visionary partnerships. Together with our partners, we wanted to connect people and planet through building design. So our approach is translated into 5 principles: healthy, shared, simple, adaptive, and scalable. And in the healthy principles, we asked, by considering the selection of materials, building techniques, utilities, and design configurations of indoor and outdoor spaces, is it actually possible to reduce emissions and enhance health for occupants at the same time? So by carefully considering each stage of the building life cycle and understanding that each implication of the design choice, we are able to reduce the emissions significantly. Our research shows that we are able to reduce the emissions with 70 to 75% already today. And by working with healthy building principles and making it a foundation for the design, our simulations show that we can enhance well-being and make homes that contribute to making us healthier. So in the shared principle, we asked, could we strengthen the sense of community by designing settlements with shared spaces, resources, and outdoor areas and amenities? So what we did was, by dividing space into what we absolutely need in our homes and what space we could share, we were able to reduce the square meters significantly and create a settlement that promote access over ownership by sharing more. Shared living showcases how we can live closer while enhancing our way of life by creating active communities that significantly reduce the environmental impact, reduce land use, and all whilst actually creating better living environments for all of us. In the simple principle, we ask, can we design a simple modular building system that requires little to no maintenance and could easily be upgraded, repaired, and fitted with smart appliances to extend the lifetime of our homes? So by separating the technical system and building system, we're able to create a system that enables longer lifetimes, circular economy, and reduces overall cost. And by creating a dumb house that can be fitted with smart appliances, we seek to rethink the way we construct our homes. The last decade, we've been seeing innovation through addition, resulting in increase in complexity and added cost. So we want to challenge the status quo by innovating through subtraction. The adaptive principle asks, can we create a scalable solution and that responds to needs for more ways of living? We know that 80 to 85% of all new square meters are between 1 to 5 stories. Therefore, we created a catalog of typologies within this range. The envelopes are designed to enable us to abandon the notion of homes that are one size fits all and enable homes that respond to the needs for more ways of living. So it's a flexible solution that can adapt to locations spanning from greenfield developments to urban areas. To prove the adaptability of the living places concept, we continue to test the project on multiple sites. So in the scalable principle, we ask, can we rethink the way we design, plan, manufacture, and finance our homes to unlock housing for the many? So by combining affordability by design, resource loops, and new manufacturing principles, we can lower people's entry points to the housing market and ensure scalability. All the principles combined constitutes our attempt to show a new way forward for the building industry, a vision for how we together can create healthy homes for people and planet. Thank you so much.